Hello everyone, my name is Dakin Thompson with the Chucky Doke FFA. Today I'll be wiring this FastFrame display. We're going to be using the MC cable because this is industrial grade. I'm going to show you how to properly strip and mount a quick connector on MC cable. Yeah, you want to twist it, then grab your cutters. And make sure not cut it too close to the wire, otherwise that will cause problems with you and the inspector. When you get your wire cut to length, put on your quick connector. Now I'm going to take out this 1/2 inch punch. Next thing I'm going to do is get this 90 on there. That's what we use for tight, narrow spaces. Take the back off here. Then we get our lock nut, put that on there. And once our lock nut's in there, we're going to take this, break it in half. Then take our cutters and cut this off. And take our coating off here. Cut that. And take our wire through this 90. Just push it on in there. We're using a 3-prong cord as our power supply. We built in an outlet and a 3-way switch system. Okay, now we're going to take our travelers and common wire and strip them off. So once we got all our wire stripped, we're going to put it in this hole and loop it. Now we want to keep our common wire separate from our travelers because that'll be important in the next step. Now once you got all your wires twisted, we're going to take our common wire and put it on this black screw right here. Slide that on there. And make sure your screw is turning this way with the wire, because if not, your wire can turn out and possibly make contact with other wires, and we don't want that to happen. Then it really don't matter, but you can take either traveler and put it on the gold screws. Oops. But see how here, it's the screws turning this way, and want to be turning with the wire loop, because if not, it will come out. So put it in like so, and then start screwing it in. Then we're going to twist our switch. Almost forgot to do this one. But then we put our ground on the ground. Fold our wires up. Then we'll just fold it up in our box. Our power supply is stranded wire, so we had to use spades on them. Now we're going to test our project, see if everything's working properly. Okay, we got 2 yellow lights, that's good. Okay, everything's working properly. I'd like to give a special thanks to JD Metals, FastFrame, and City Electric. FastFrame has really helped me with my SAE through fire science. This product is fire resistant and is the way of the future. If you're interested in this product, contact FastFrame or JD Metals. Thanks for stopping by. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell, and support Chuck Yoke FFA. And always, let your light shine.